Entry to floors from stairwells or entry to open spaces also needs to be protected against unauthorized visits. The benefit of using the IP intercom 2N IP Verso is that visitors call reception to get inside. A receptionist can open the door on 2N indoor view with a single click on a display with lightning-fast touch response. Virtual reception will ensure you 24/7 availability. With the reliable Intercom mobile app, 2N Mobile Video, calls can be answered by anyone from anywhere. With the 2N Meeting Room application running on the 2N Indoor Touch 2.0 multifunctional unit, you solve the issue of meeting room occupancy and avoid possible double booking. The 2N Access Unit M represents the next generation of access units. Thanks to its slim design, it can easily be installed into the frame of a door. The reader comes with a built-in controller, which means that all you need for both connection and power supply is a single network cable to the door. Peripherals such as locks or door contacts can then be connected directly to the reader. Installation is quick and cost-saving.